Thank you guys for voting me to come and judge this show. It's always a pleasure and an honor.
Green 5.
I'm 20. I had 24 numbers written down, and I was being very judicious and who got a number written down, and I still had 24. So beautiful short hair Scottish fold. Incredible roundness to this little kid's head, like a little softball sitting right on those shoulders. Beautifully tightly cared.
Green 8 would like to see short hair kittens 642 all the way to
61. Ring 9.
Ring 12 would like to see short hair kittens 632 through 641. Ring 12 as available.
Nice boning. This baby probably developed to the chin. She is my 19th kitten. Very flashy tortoise shell, a black cat with patches of red and cream. And her wonderful body, little short tail, sweet expression. I love these little teddy bear ears, rounded set on the corners of the head. Flashy little pattern on her face.
Ring 13 has a third and final call on Bourbon and
incredible class of exotics. I really wanted to get all 5 of my 5 I wanted after my final. Because they were just so outstanding. The entire class was beautiful. This was my 13 was my third best. Third best of the exotics today. This lovely brown coach tabby girl. I mean, what a body she's got on her. Incredible coat, beautiful life to it. Sweet, sweet expression. Lovely roundness to the head. I love the way the coat stays away from the body on this girl. She is flashy, flashy, flashy. And today she is my 17th. We had a beautiful class of Egyptian mouse today. This male was my best breed. There were 3 very different looks between all 3 kittens. And
Ring 11 is ready for Himalayan and Persian kitten 82 and Ragamuffin kitten 83. Ring 11.
I love the spotting and contrast that he has in his coat. Beautiful expression through those eyes.
That's ring 8.
Ring 1 would like to see the short-hair cats in Premiership, American Shorthair 333 through Colorfine Shorthair 337. Ring 1.
It's one of those rare kind of breeds of good black cat in Thailand. You just don't see it very often. This is a beautiful example. I love the rib cage, like a little piece of coil-up spring that you have on this lovely female. She's got that beautiful heart shape to her head. Lovely eye color. The eye color is described as like the shoots of rice coming up out of the ground. It's that kind of green color. And the storm clouds of the grain that cause the rice to grow. There's lots of cool stories when it comes to the color. This is a beautiful example of our Allbreed, and she is my 15th. Beautiful silver shaded Persian. Just that lovely spark of that black with the ends of those hair tips. Beautiful little short tail. Amazing body on this youngster. Beautiful head structure. Deep break. And of course those very, very well recognized green eyes. Basic face proportions, right? Little tiny ears. Lovely conditioning on this baby. Lucky number 14. What a beautiful class of Burmans. Talk about a stocky body. Wonderful long stocky body on this kitten. Excellent look. Laces up the back. Working across the front. Very nice matching white color coming in. Love the Roman profile on this kitten. Those incredible blue eyes. Beautiful roundness of the head. The flat spots where you're supposed to have them. Everything all coming right together. And this is lucky number 13. I think this kid looks like a little puff of cloud. Just a little ethereal looking baby. Beautiful Himalayan. Wonderful, delicate white coloration. The expression on this kitten is absolutely lovely. Sweetest, sweetest velvet look.
Ring 9 would like to see Sphinx kittens 193, 192 through Tonkinese kittens 196. ring 9.
What a beautiful, beautiful animal. And this is number 12. This is the kind of body I dream about having someday. Long and lean and no fat. Muscular.
Ring 1 is ready for color point short hair cats in Premiership 338 to the Oriental short hair 347, and a second call on the American short hair 333 to the color point short hair 337. Ring 1.
I'd like to see 680, 683, 689, 692, 766, 769, 771, and 781. That's the first part of Ring 6's Allbreed Championship final.
Long neck, gorgeous nice shape, beautiful color, wonderful, wonderful little color point. Today is number 10. What a beautiful little Devon Rex. Love this girl's level back. She's got that wonderful loose curl to her coat and stretch it out for everybody. Those beautiful curves to the head, those large ears, beautiful muzzle, cheekbones, presentation, conditioning, everything on her. I asked her, their whiskers just break off or do they not grow? And they said, no, they break off. I just wanted to ask that question. This is my best breed in the Devon Rexes today.
Ring 5 is ready to start short hair cats.
I've been changing my mind on my top 10 cats over and over and over. So I'm going to still make adjustments as I go, I'm sure. Beautiful Abyssinian, one of my first short hair kittens that I handled yesterday. Incredible, ruddy coloration and beautiful coat, the ticking, clarity, coat length. Absolutely beautiful. I've seen some beautiful abbeys this weekend. Gorgeous head structure with that modified wedge shape of the head. I love these almond eyes. Clarity absolutely everywhere. Beautiful, beautiful abbey. Today this is my 8th.
501, 504, 508, 510, 512, 513, 522, 530, 533, 542, 545, 547, 549, 552, 553, 563, 566, 576, 577, and 579. That's the long hair kitten final, ring 2.
Attention exhibitors, there's a cat out on row 16, cat out on row 60.
Beautiful tortoiseshell. Incredible body on this young lady. I love the coat, the coloration. Her expression is absolutely gorgeous with those ears.
Ring 10 would like has a second call on exotic kittens 510 through 514. Ring 10.
This is my 7th.
Ring 13, Japanese bobtail 343. Second call, ring 1.
My best of breed in the
Ring 10 would like to see N. Mathis, please.
This is beautiful brown tabby boy in the classic tabby color. Gorgeous body, gorgeous markings. Really, you can see the three parts, equal proportion. You know, the American standard is so specific, it calls for half the head to be above the middle of the eye and half below the middle of the eye. That's very difficult to achieve. And this guy has not only beautiful head shape, but beautiful eye shape, eye color. I love the width of the muzzle, everything about him. Today, he is my 6th.
Ring 6 has
Ring 5 has a second call on Abyssinian 248, Bombay 249 and 250, British short hair 253, and Burmese 255. This is your second call to ring 5.
Beautiful body, little short tail, beautiful head structure. I love the deep deep break and how smooth it is. Big open expression, little tiny ears, beautiful baby girl. She's my 5th.
Ring 3 has a second call on ragdoll kittens 87 and 88. Second call, ring 3.
My third best kitten. Beautiful short hair bangs. You know, you get points for not having something in this breed, which means not having any tail. But you've got to have all the other parts in the breed standard also right.
Ring 1 is ready for Siamese 340 through the Tonkinese 352. Ring 1.
Incredible feel to this young baby girl. She's got incredible hard, glossy coat. You always think about that in the basement. That's what you want. You want a nice, hard, glossy coat. She's got a beautiful rocker ear set. She's in lovely condition. She is my second best cat.
The Longhair Championship Final. Congratulations to the following cats: 202, 206, 218, 221, 223, 224, 225, 228, 232, 233, 239, and 243. Second part, Longhair Championship Final, ring 7.
Beautiful, big, round, open eyes, little tiny teddy bear ears, gorgeous boating, beautiful body, everything's good. Female, on top of that, she's built like a little male. She's got gorgeous color. She's just absolutely acting perfection. She's my best kitten. All right, congratulations. Oh, yes.
Я сейчас посажу кошку.
Ring 8.
That thing's adorable. How old?
ring 12.